Namaste. There is a good news. Raju has been discharged safely. He was in a very, very bad condition. In fact, he was also not treated properly in the Warangal hospital. We had to shift him to KIMS hospital in Hyderabad on last Sunday. By Tuesday or Wednesday, he was discharged. But he has to come back to hospital in 10-15 days to go for a surgery in heart. That is another exercise with pujas, with remedies, with chanting of mantras, chanting of Vedic slokas, writing of some Siddha medicines, some Siddha remedies as guided by Babaji, maybe all put together with a contribution of so many people in and around him, people who responded to our YouTube video, people who responded in our group, maybe very few, but still it is might and it has changed the life of Raju. We thank every individual, every person who helped Raju. All those who helped will be helped by Mahavatar Babaji whenever they are nearer problem or whenever the problem comes nearer to them. We are putting 3 photographs here. One, Raju in a worst condition at Warangal in a hospital. Second, he is in bed in KIMS hospital, Hyderabad. Third, Raju reaching home safely. He is saluting all those who helped him, who prayed for him, who did puja for him, who did remedy for him. Ultimately, he is offering his total surrender prayer to Mahavatar Babaji. It was Mahavatar Babaji who played an invisible role through many people in this group, YouTube members and all other well-wishers. Thank you, and we thank you again. Still we may need your help because Raju has to go again to hospital for a heart surgery. His condition is stable, but the condition to be stable for future days to come, future years to come, he has to get surgery and we have to help him. To that extent, we from Mahavatar Babaji Sannidhan, we thank everyone who participated and helped him and who would help again from Mahavatar Babaji Sannidhan. We thank every individual who contributed, who prayed, who did puja and who wished Raju should recover and come back. Nothing gone waste. Everything has come. He has come like a fresh flower. Only thing, he has to go back and get his heart repaired and come back. We will support him. We will continue to support him. I have so much faith and trust on all YouTube members and the group in which we are sharing certain information between us. Namaste. We are going to take a different subject today. It will be a very short video. On 21st, we will be having a solar eclipse. This particular solar eclipse, what they call it as annular solar eclipse, the moon will be coming in between earth and the sun. Because the moon size is small, it will look like as though there is a golden ring. The beautiful sceneries or photo you would have seen. Whatever said and done, it is happening in Mithuna Rashi, in Mrigashira as well as Aridra Nakshatra. Looking at the horoscope of the day, many planets are in Vakra or in retro. Guru is the most weakest planet. Mars, powerful fourth aspect on Sun, Moon, Mercury and Rahu. Besides this, at the time of sunrise, the Lagna also falls in the same Rashi, Mithuna Rashi. Guru is Nicha or debilitated. Guru and Saturn both are together, both are retro. Mercury is retro, Venus is retro, both Gurus are retro. With this condition, there are few Rashis and there are few Nakshatras. The persons born in these particular Rashis, there will be some disturbances. That does not mean all others are saved. Looking at the coming solar eclipse, many people predict that the future of India, the future of world is going to be lot of good things happening. Of course, in and around us, no good things are happening as of now. No good things are happening, in fact. But we have to hope after hope, no doubt in it. Definitely there will be progress, there will be a good future. The sufferings cannot go and will not go for a long time. Already the momentum has started. The coming solar eclipse may be disturbing, may not be disturbing, may be giving peace and prosperity, may not be giving peace and prosperity. Irrespective of this, on Sunday, we will not be opening Babaji Sannidhan till the solar eclipse ends. Different people are giving different timings for start and end of the solar eclipse. Approximately we will take that the solar eclipse will begin at 9 o'clock or 9:15 am. The peak period will be around 12 or 12:10 and the end period of solar eclipse will be around 3:05 or 3:15. We will keep it. Already in the morning to now, many people called me and they were giving their nakshatra, their star and Rashi, requesting what will happen to me. Some people are predicting it will be bad. Whether bad things are going to happen or not, the fear has already entered in the minds of the people. In order to mitigate the fear-oriented living, at Babaji Sannidhan on Sunday after 3 o'clock, once cleansing everything over, we will be offering a very special prayer for all the 27 nakshatras and all the 12 rashis and all the 9 planets. We will be praying for harmonious movement of the planets, for positive accommodation of the planets in the rashis, the protection of the rashis and the planets through the nakshatras. The nakshatras are the very supreme because they are very far away. One nakshatra is not one nakshatra, it is group of nakshatra assumes a particular name. So wherever you are, in whichever age group you are, in whichever position you are, whether you are in India or outside India, a prayer will go on behalf of you, on behalf of your children, on behalf of your husband, on behalf of your wife, on behalf of your parents, on behalf of your parent-in-laws, whoever has taken birth in any Rashi, any Nakshatra, any Lagna will be protected through our prayers. The special puja videos we will share not as a separate video, but we will share in between our next video. You can see and enjoy. On Sunday, as directed by the scientists, as directed by the experts, keep safe, do not view the sun directly, avoid going out, remain at home as far as possible, try to take bath before the eclipse time as well as after the eclipse time. As far as possible, during the eclipse time, eat less and avoid overloading your body, your stomach, your system with food. Just wait for 4-5 hours. Things will be okay. Be prayerful. We also will offer prayers after the Grahana is over. You will be safe. There is no need to carry any fear. The one of the incident very recently happened. Raju has made a travel from earth to hell, hell to heaven, heaven to back to earth. So any kind of affliction, any kind of trouble will melt before Mahavatar Babaji. That trust I am having, that trust Mataji is having, the same intensity of trust all the members of Babaji Sannidhan WhatsApp group too have. We will see in another video. Om Sadguru Babaji Namaha.